ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു S&R Mech അവർ കാർ. മീ ശരത്, തൃശ്ശൂർ. Hello guys, my name is Sharath. I am from Kerala. Today our job is fixing brake booster for Maruti 800. See, this is Maruti 800 5-speed vehicles brake booster set. The original brake booster price is 3,865 rupees. This for Maruti 800 5-speed brake booster is this. For fixing normal car, we always using this because fixment of bolts on the body is same. Also, we need a pipe for vacuum and dummies. Then one gas tube, see, like this tube, and we need to make short that tube with cutter, and we need to fix like this. This is glue for fixing, and we make a hole at there and we can fix like this. After fixing like this, we can use yam seal and we will fix on this place. Maruti 800 MPFI vehicle has a dummy on this side. We need to remove that dummy and we will fix this dummy. For taking vacuum for the brake booster. For fixing brake booster, we need to first remove this whole master cylinder of our car. For that, we doing this wiring. First, it's making for brake fluid level. After we going to remove all brake pipes, going to wheels from master cylinder. See, I removed already. This is all master cylinder. This master cylinder have no brake booster assembly. For removing this master cylinder, we need to go inside the vehicle. And first, we need to remove that master cylinder connecting to the pedal unit. See, following that, there is a quarter pin. We need to remove that quarter pin first with the use of a nose plier or normal plier. After removing that quarter pin, see, that was the quarter pin. After removing that quarter pin, we can easily remove that pin like this. And we need to remove this 12 mm bolt with one box spanner set. There are 4 12 mm bolt, and then we need to remove this easily from this side. Before, we need to remove that 4 bolt. That 4 bolt came like this. Here that pin came to connecting that vehicle. So this is the master cylinder of our Maruti 800 4-speed model. This has no brake booster. We need to fix brake booster for easy braking. So fixing brake booster, we will remove that hose from not removing anything from that hose from there. Then we can fix brake booster like this, and we need to fix that backside bolt. There have 4 bolt. After fixing that backside bolt, we can fix the pipes. First upon, we can fix that backside bolt, and we need to fix this pin for connecting master cylinder and brake pedal. So I fixed that 4 bolt and I am fixed that pin and fix that quarter pin also. So I came on the front of the vehicle. Then I am going to connect that 4 pipes. At the time of fixing this 4 pipe, first time don't use spanners. First, all pipes we need to fix by hand. Only full tightening we use spanners. Otherwise it will slips, and when we pressing brake the fluid will came out. See, I fix already that pipe by hand like this. See, the right side of the wheel pipe length is little bit low. That's why I bring one 5-speed vehicle pipe. That 5-speed vehicle pipe is little bit big. Longer than the old pipe. Otherwise we can't fix. After fixing of that pipes, we need to clean with water properly. Otherwise, when the brake fluid came out, that side will rust formation. See how I fix that new pipe. After I am going to fix that vacuum hose like this, and after fixing vacuum hose we fix that level tube, not level tube, level checking wire, and we need to bleed the vehicle, air bleeding through bleeding procedure. For fixing this brake booster, the vehicle brake is very easy. So everybody try to fix brake booster. It's more better than other all accessories. It will reduce our pedal pressing energy. And braking effort. So like this we can fix brake booster for Maruti 800 4-speed. It was 5-speed brake booster. So you can fix and try. I hope you people will like my channel. If you like, subscribe my channel and share this channel for others. If you dislike also no problem, for we can see on next video.